Flower plants for home garden. A home garden filled with flowers is one of the most delightful sights anyone can create. Flower plants bring life, beauty, and character to spaces, regardless of their size. Choosing the right flower plants for a home garden is about balancing practicality with personal taste, selecting varieties that not only bloom beautifully but also thrive in the environment they are given. For those who prefer low-maintenance gardens, hardy plants such as marigolds, geraniums, and zinnias are excellent choices. They grow quickly, produce abundant blooms, and continue flowering throughout the season with minimal care. These plants brighten gardens with bold colors, making them ideal for borders, beds, or containers. Roses remain a favorite for many gardeners. With countless varieties, colors, and forms, they can be adapted to almost any garden design. Some people prefer climbing roses that cover trellises and walls, while others enjoy compact shrub roses that provide a steady flow of blooms. Their fragrance and elegance make them timeless additions to a home garden. Perennial plants are especially valuable because they return year after year, creating a lasting foundation. Plants like lavender, daylilies, and coneflowers establish themselves firmly in the soil and require less replanting over time. These flowers not only add beauty but also attract bees, butterflies, and birds, bringing life and movement to the garden. Seasonal bulbs add charm and anticipation. Tulips, daffodils, and lilies bloom at specific times of year, marking the changes of the seasons. Their arrival feels like a celebration, with sudden bursts of color transforming the garden almost overnight. Climbing plants add vertical beauty. Clematis, morning glories, and bougainvillea cover fences, pergolas, and walls with blooms, creating natural curtains of color. They also maximize limited space, making them ideal for smaller gardens or courtyards. Hanging baskets and container flowers provide flexibility. Petunias, begonias, and nasturtiums spill over the edges of pots, bringing beauty to patios, balconies, or even windowsills. This allows anyone, even those without large yards, to enjoy the pleasures of a flower garden. Fragrance is another important aspect. Plants such as jasmine, gardenia, and honeysuckle not only decorate the garden with flowers but also fill the air with their perfume. These flowers transform an ordinary space into a calming retreat where every breeze carries a hint of sweetness. Flower plants in home gardens are not just about decoration. They create a mood, an atmosphere, and even a lifestyle. A path lined with flowers becomes a daily joy to walk through. A small bed of blooms becomes a gathering place for pollinators. A single pot of flowering plants near the entrance becomes a warm welcome to every visitor. With so many options available, every gardener can create a unique space that reflects personal taste and style. Flower plants for home gardens offer color, fragrance, and peace, reminding us that beauty can be nurtured with care and enjoyed every day.